Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up opening an HSA with Lively, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up an HSA with Lively, begin by visiting their website at lively.com. Click on the Get Started button located prominently on the homepage. You will be prompted to create an account, so enter your email address and create a secure password. Check your email for a verification message from Lively. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Lively website and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will need to provide some personal information. Fill in your full name, date of birth, and social security number as required. Next, enter your address, phone number, and any additional information requested. After your personal details, you will need to select your HSA contribution options. Choose whether to make contributions through your employer or via direct deposits. Review the contribution limits to ensure you stay within IRS guidelines. Proceed to the investment options section, where you can select how your funds will be managed. Lively offers both cash and investment accounts, so choose according to your financial goals. Once you've made your selections, carefully read and accept the terms and conditions. Finally, submit your application to open your HSA. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is successfully set up. That's it. You are now ready to start managing your health savings account with Lively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.